The recipes page is where you can explore our recipe collection and add meals to your My Menu. Let's find a chicken recipe for dinner this week. Click in the Search Recipes box and type chicken. Browse the results. How about chicken and avocado burritos? If you'd like, click the recipe link to view the full recipe on the source website. To add it to your meal plan, first adjust how many servings of the recipe that you would like to make, and how many servings you plan to eat. Then click on the Add to Your Meal button. Your weekly menu will open in edit mode, with gray boxes showing where you can place the recipe. Choose the day and mealtime that work best for you. Let's add it to Saturday lunch. Click Save. Your recipe has now been added to your meal plan. If you'd like to delete the meal that was originally scheduled, click that entree. Select the trash can icon and delete it. When you're finished, click the X to close the weekly menu. Then click X again to close the recipe card. You can also browse recipes by selecting All Available Recipes. Choose a category and a subcategory to narrow your search. Then click on the recipe title to open the recipe card and add it to your My Menu. Need inspiration? Browse our featured recipes, select a category like Main Dishes, and add any recipe to your meal plan the same way. To view a recipe's nutrition information, click the nutrient icon. Found a favorite? Click the heart icon to save it to one of the existing categories. Or create your own category. You'll find your saved recipes anytime in My Favorite Saved Recipes. It will be in the category folder you saved it to, ready to add to your meal plan. Want to include a favorite family recipe or analyze one you found online? Select Recipe Analyzer. Then choose whether to enter a recipe or import one. Your analyzed recipes will be saved in My Recipes library, so you can add them to future meal plans. Keep in mind that adding or replacing recipes may change your planned calorie intake, so it's always a good idea to review your nutrition goals after making updates.